Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nadia here. I am so excited about today's video. As we already know, Post Malone is collabing with Cane's right now, and they have like limited edition cups, and I got me the cup I wanted. I mainly came to Cane's to get this cup, I'm not gonna lie, because look at it, it's so cute. Are you kidding me? It's adorable. But I was also hungry, so I was like, you know what? It's worked out. So I got a I got the box combo, and instead of the coleslaw, I got an extra sauce, fries, toast. Yes, let's just dig in. I'm also really hungry, so I haven't eaten in a while, so I'm excited. And this cup, this cup is just so adorable. I can't. Let's just dig right in. I'm starving. I really hope this chicken's still warm. Honestly, this chicken has only been sitting here for like maybe like less than 5 minutes, so I'm like, oh my god, don't get cold. Because like by the time I usually take it to my house, chicken gets cold, so. This is so good. This Cane's just recently opened up like pretty close to my house, because the other one I was going to was so far, you guys. It was like 25 minutes away. Oh my god, Cane's is so good though, so good. I'm gonna try some toast with the sauce. Oh! We got like a mini tornado going on. It's so hot in Arizona. Like, just wearing this shirt, it feels so thick. I don't even know. This weather is just not it for me. It's like 110 degrees right now. I was gonna go for a hike by myself in this heat, and I was planning on going to the Superstition Mountains, because why not? But I don't know. I feel like going to those mountains by yourself is kind of scary. I've definitely been hiked there by myself once. I don't know if I want to hike alone again. I don't know. I will say though, I'm definitely someone who believes in the Lost Dutchman treasure. They say it's a legend, but I do think it's real. Would I ever try and look for it? No, but I just feel like it's cool to think it's real, at least. I don't know. But yeah, comment below if you've ever hiked there, and if you were alone too. There's just a lot of weird things going on there. A lot of people have died trying to like look for the treasure, but that's like that, just that alone, like if that doesn't freak you out, I don't know what does. But I'll just talk about the time that I hiked there by myself, because it was really scary, guys. So this was, I don't even know, it was like a Valentine's Day or something, and I was like, let me just go and hike. I'm like, maybe it'll be slow or whatever. So it wasn't too hot. went on a hike, and I don't know, I just felt like the whole time I was there, it was okay, but I don't know, it was a pretty slow day, so you know, a lot of people were hiking, but I'm just going on my hike. All of a sudden, like, I've hiked that mountain before, so I know, like, the trail pretty well. But I ended up getting lost somehow. And to this day, I don't even know how that happened. Because, like, it's not really hard to get lost, like a hiking trail, really. I don't know. But this chicken's so good. I remember like just walking and walking, and I'm like, where am I going? Like, how do I get back? Like, how do I get back to my car? So I was like following this couple, and they were like kind of walking a little faster than I am, and then they went ahead of me, and I was like, you know what, let me just follow these people because they probably know where they're going. So I'm like kind of like slowly like walking. I'm not like walking too close, obviously. Anyway, so I end up walking. All of a sudden I get to like this dead end area, and I'm like, okay, this is so weird. How did I end up here, you know? I couldn't find the couple. They were like, I don't know where they went, because I'm like, this is a dead end. How did they not circle back? How did I not see them again? It was the weirdest thing ever. And then I remember turning around. I'm like running at this point, because I'm like, how do I get back? Sweating. I did not bring enough water at all. So the whole time I was running back just to like find anybody, find people, find like my way back. I just felt like I was being watched the whole time, or like somebody was following me. It was the scariest hike I've ever experienced. I don't know. And I want to go back for some reason. I don't know why. I'm crazy. Okay, let's take a sip. I feel like, I think I read online somewhere how like some people can't get these cups. You let me know if that's true, because I'm just glad Arizona has these cups. Usually I feel like Arizona is a state where like they don't really have cool stuff, but I don't know, we're opening a lot of cool stuff here now. Like, there's this amusement park that's coming out. It's like a Mattel amusement park. There's like a Barbie dream house. A bunch of other stuff like racing, and I don't even know. But I'm so excited. You know, it's like, oh, people are gonna be like, it's like for kids, but I don't care. It's Disneyland is for kids, and I go, you know. Honestly, this sauce makes the chicken like so much better. If you didn't have this sauce, I don't know if it's good, but it needs the sauce, in my opinion. I actually know people who like do not like this cane sauce, and I'm like, what's the point of even getting canes then? I don't know. Obsessed with this cup. This is so cute. I don't know, I think Post Malone is such a chill guy. Like, I feel like if you like get to know him, he just seems like so down to earth, and he seems like a humble guy to me, definitely. I have one more chicken left. Also, comment down below, Barbie or Oppenheimer, because I saw both. And I know, like, oh, you shouldn't compare the two, but I'll tell you mine. Oppenheimer. Barbie, I loved. Oppenheimer, a lot of people thought it was like slow and boring, but I really like Cillian Murphy, and that movie I did not get bored with, which I'm really shocked about because I thought I wouldn't like it. And I saw Oppenheimer first, and then I saw Barbie in the evening. And I feel like, I don't know, I'm glad I watched it that way. I just feel like Oppenheimer was more serious. Oh. I am so full. See, I feel like with the box combo, it's like the perfect amount. The 3-finger is like not enough for me. I don't know. But yeah, I don't really think there's a lot of good movies out anymore, like in theaters. Like, I feel like for a while, there's not gonna be anything super crazy exciting. But yeah, I've seen a lot of movies in theaters, so which ones have I seen? Like, pretty much all of them. Almost all of them. The worst one, I gotta say, was Insidious. That was so not scary. At least for me. I didn't get scared, but I think it's Talk to Me. Yes, that one was so scary. Definitely not the like scariest movie I've seen, but it's pretty up there. It was like, it was terrifying. The scariest movie I've ever seen is Hereditary, no doubt. That one, you need to like prepare yourself for that one, because I was just traumatized. I like had to drive home that night. I remember seeing it, and it was like really late at night. I was so terrified. But yeah, so don't watch that one alone if you're planning on seeing it. I'm like trying to see if my doors are locked. I'm parked behind a Walmart parking lot, but it's during the day, so I don't really care. I would not be doing this at night. I mean, I'm not gonna film a mukbang at night, obviously, it's gonna be dark. But, oh my god, I actually finished all my food. Ready? Look at that. I was starving, you guys. So I'm actually gonna end the video here. My My camera is being really weird. It's like counting down. 3, 2, 1. What's gonna happen after 1? Is my camera gonna like explode? Let's see what's gonna happen. 1. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's counting down. Anyway, I'm scared. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!